I said, I wanted to do a unboxing and review on my new multifunction jump starter. It's this one right here. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. Very nice carrying case for it. Oh, very nice. Everything is like strapped in, which I do like. You get the manual, the cables for it, which we'll hook up here in a second, charger, mobile charger, and then the actual device itself right here. Check that out. Very nice. It's also got a flashlight. So let's go ahead and fire it up. All right, there we go. Awesome. So it gives you the battery percent right there, 100% ready to go. So now all you have to do is take this part right here, and then we'll hook up this piece. And as you can see, we are ready to go. It's on, and all you gotta do now is just hook it up to the battery on each corresponding side that you need, and then this will jump start it right then and there. So that's very neat. Got a compass right here. So let me unplug this piece real quick, just so I can show you some of the other features. So there's that flashlight right there. So if you're like on the side of the road and you kind of just need like a flashlight so that you know that you're there or it's dark, this is definitely nice to have. And then you just get the standard flashlight. So if it's dark and you still need to see something underneath the car or in the hood, this will definitely be very handy to have. And like I said, it also has a strobe feature right there as well. The other cool feature that I liked is if you look right here, it has two outputs right here. So let me show you. So definitely in case of an emergency, you just want to plug something into there. I'll show you with my iPad. And there it is. So this will also work as an external battery. So like I said, especially in those cases of emergency, if maybe your card's dead and you still want to make sure your phone stays on, or your tablet, whatever the case may be, this actually has two outputs right here. So I thought that was really neat to have. Like I said, I think every car should at least have one of these in there in case of an emergency. And the last thing that I'll show is if you need to charge it, then that's what this will come in handy. So you literally just plug it in right here, leave it charged, and then just have it at 100%, you know what I mean? And then just leave it stored in the car. It makes it very easy with the carrying case just to, underneath the seat or in the trunk or something like that. This comes in super handy. So if you're looking for a new jump starter, definitely look into one of these. Highly recommend. I'm gonna leave that link down below, 10 out of 10.